Hello everyone, this is Miss Khan from Jewel Style, and today I'm live again with a lot of new arrival pieces that we have posted on the website. And the one which I am wearing, this is very new color. You must have seen this one in blue color. We usually have blue color, but now we have tried our hands in red color and there's a light blue color. So we have two colors. That is a new color that we have introduced. So the one which I am wearing, this is maroon color and this is blue color. In case you're interested to buy this one, you can go on the website, order from there, or you can take a screenshot and then order. So you must have seen this one. This is the usual color that we have. It's like a hot selling piece, but this time we have made two more colors: the maroon, the blue one, and the one which I am wearing. So in case you're interested to buy these color, you can visit our website or you can directly order through Instagram. So this one, I want to show you how the earrings are. These are the earrings for this one. Earrings are the screw type. These are the earrings. And this looks beautiful. We are taking pre-order for this one. In case you're interested to buy this beautiful piece, you can take a screenshot and order. We have earrings with this one also, the one which I am wearing. So this has a beautiful maroon color. Then we have this blue color. With the blue also we have earrings, the same kind we have earrings. So in case you want to order, take a screenshot and then you can order from us. Then we have one more new arrival, which is actually we were taking pre-order for this one, but then we have restocked one piece. That's a beautiful choker with real beads, real Freud beads. In case you're interested to order, you can order from us. That's a beautiful choker, or you can wear like a necklace as well on novel neck. So that's a beautiful piece that we have. Then we have got new arrival jhumkis with ear cuff. So this is the ear cuff. There's a screw type and back. So it fits very well. It fits like this. So it has a small jhumki and beautiful ear cuff. So this is also you can order from us. So we have two kind of ear cuff. These are the designs. This one, let me show you. And this is the back side. So it fits very well on the ear. In case you want to order, so we have two designs. These two are the new design that we have. One has a little big jhumki and another one has a small jhumki, but then this looks very beautiful on wearing. So these are beautiful ear cuff. That is new arrival that we have. Then we have Chand Bali. This is a beautiful Chand Bali with screw type. In case you want to order, you can order from us. Then we have restocked this beautiful studs with screw type. In case you want to order, you can order from us. We have got these studs also. This is also beautiful studs. In pre-order also you can find them. Then we have another Chand Bali that we have. This was earlier as a pre-order, but now we have got one stock made. And this one you can club with any necklace. We have a lot of chokers and sets. In case you want to order, you can order from there. Then we have got this one. We have got just 1 to 2 piece left of this beautiful necklace. I'll just take out this one so that you can have an idea that how does they look on the neck. So this one I am wearing. That's a beautiful piece. The one which I was showing you is this. That's a beautiful necklace and it's not very expensive. You can check on the website and I think it's around 4,000, and it's a beautiful piece necklace in case you want to order with the green beads, and you can see the finishing. It's so beautiful. Then we have got this choker. That is again a beautiful choker. Fits like this. And then we have a studs with it. So that's also a very pretty piece that we have. You can order from us. we have got chokers. It's a Chand choker. That's a beautiful piece. Chand choker, new arrival. You can check on the website as well. Then we have got this jalebi necklace. So we have one long, this is a little shorter. This is a very beautiful jalebi necklace in maroon that we have, and you can pair many stars with it, and otherwise you can pair any earrings also. So that's a beautiful piece that we have. Then we have jalebi necklace in white as well. In case you're looking to buy white one, then we have this one, and you can again pair it with any studs. In fact, this jhumki also that I've shown you, you can pair it. Then I've already shown you. Okay, this one is remaining. This one you can wear like a necklace. You can wear like a choker. We have small earrings with it, which is this one, and it's very good for kids also in case you want your kid to wear this. Then we have this one. That's a beautiful piece. You can see it's a white color, and we have small studs with it, which is this one. So this is already there on the website. New arrival. We have same thing in Firoza, in case you want to order Firoza one, which is this one. So it's a necklace, or you can wear like a choker also in case you want to wear it tight, but otherwise it's a necklace. And with it also there is a small studs. And then we have this one. That's a beautiful necklace again, green color necklace. This one, which has a studs, which is this one, in case you want to order. And then we have restocked this beautiful polki piece in case you want earrings. You can find matching studs and these hanging kind of earrings on the website. You can see how pretty this polki necklace is. It's flat 3,000. You can order from website. And that's it guys for today's live session. I hope you like the live session. I have shown you this beautiful color of Kundan Meena. This is maroon again. Let me show you again. This is a maroon color. This is actually the blue color, light blue. This one is in maroon color. And this is in blue Kundan Meena. So that's it guys. Bye, take care. Enjoy our 25% discount sale, which is a Black Friday. Do go on the website and order from us. Pre-order also has started on the website, so you can order pre-order as well from the website. And whatever you have liked now, you can take a screenshot. You can order through Instagram as well, or you can directly visit our website and you can order from there. So that's it guys. Bye, take care. Have a good day.